Hello, my name is Anna White. I'm in the shop today with a brand new project plan that I think you're gonna love. So what this project is a 3-month calendar, and I bought these for about $8 a piece. The project is essentially this wall shelf that's designed to fit these calendars. This will be your current month, the next month, 3 months out. You can set the calendar up and add all the dates. You can take the calendar down and edit it without having to write on the wall, put it back up. And then when the month completes, all you have to do is take the top one off and move, and then bring this over to your table and update it for the next month. So here's how I built it. I cut 1x6 boards down for the back and 1x3 boards for the shelves. Then I marked the 1x6 boards where the shelves are going to be placed, and I laid out the shelf boards and I marked them as well, just for where the center board is. If this doesn't make sense, check out the plans. This is just kind of a way of building it from the back. So the screws are hidden, but being able to measure the location of the screws in the shelves. I used these self-tapping trim screws that I didn't need to pre-drill, and I just screwed the middle board to all the shelves, and I used a square to make sure the shelves are being attached level. Then I just added the remaining 1x6s and screwed them to the shelves as well. Of course, there's other ways of building this. You can use 1 1/4 inch brad nails and glue. You can use pocket holes. There's many different methods. This to me was the easiest with the least tools to get a nice product. And there it is. I did lightly sand with a sanding block, and then I used a aged wood accelerator in rustic brown for the stain. Then I hung it to a stud in the wall with a screw through the back of the project. This calendar solves so many problems for me. Number one, I like having a physical calendar. It's just too hard to type in and update calendars on my phone. I like having it fully visible in the room that everybody can see it and everybody's literally on the same page. I love this calendar system because I can plan 3 months out and I can just rotate the calendars up without having to actually redo the entire calendar. And I can be planning a couple of months out and kind of see what's on the horizon. Another problem that it solves is I've had wall calendars before, trying to write all the numbers out for each month instead of just being able to pull it down and make an adjustment and put it back up. Because if you don't have a lot of space for a 3-month calendar, this is a pretty narrow profile. You don't need a big wide space for it. It fits in a pretty small space. So what do you guys think about the calendar system? Let me know in the comments if this is a project fail or you're going to tackle it. If you do tackle it, the free plans are linked in the description. It includes where the placement of these are and the cuts and just some other details. So click on over there, download it and check it out. If you build it, please share a photo. We love seeing how your projects turn out. And thanks for watching. We'll see you in our next video.